Hey, namaste guys, Chopra here, and today we are going to talk about the top 5 latest smartphones. So let's begin. Coming up first on the list is the Redmi 9A. The Redmi 9A is a rumored phone and it is expected to have a 5.53-inch HD Plus display. The phone is expected to come with a water drop style notch which could house a 5 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is rumored to have a quad camera setup with a 13 megapixel main camera. Now talking about the processors, the phone is expected to run on the MediaTek HT6 739WW processor. The expected launch is of the next month. The phone is rumored to pack a massive 5000 mAh battery and is said to come with the support of 10-watt fast charging. Realme has recently launched its two new smartphones, the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Super Zoom. The two phones offer a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The two phones will also offer a 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. The two phones are powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus followed by an Adreno 640 GPU. The two phones run on the Android 10 based Realme UI operating system. Both the phones pack a massive 4300 mAh battery and come with the support of a 30-watt dart flash charging. The phones differ in terms of the camera specs. The Realme X3 offers a 16 plus 2 megapixel dual selfie camera, whereas the Realme X3 Super Zoom offers a 32 plus 8 megapixels selfie camera. Both the phones offer a quad camera setup, but the Realme X3 offers a 64 megapixel Samsung's GWI sensor plus a 8 megapixel plus a 12 megapixels telephoto lens plus an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera plus a 2 megapixel macro lens, whereas the Realme X3 Super Zoom offers a 64 megapixel Samsung's GWI sensor plus an 8 megapixel periscope lens plus an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera plus a 2 megapixel macro lens. The two phones will go on sale on the July 2nd, 2020 and they are priced at 27,999 for the 128GB and 6GB RAM storage variant, the Realme X3 Zoom, whereas the Realme X3 is priced at 24,999 INR for the 128GB storage and 6GB RAM variant. The Google Pixel 4a is one of the most expected and awaited phones. The Google Pixel 4a is expected to have a 5.53-inch OLED display with an FHD Plus resolution of 2380 by 1080p pixels. The phone is expected to run on the Android 10 operating system and is said to have a 12.2 megapixels rear camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. The phone is expected to pack a massive 3080 mAh battery and is priced at around 22,600 INR for the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. The Samsung Galaxy A01 Core is an expected phone. The phone is expected to have a Full HD Plus display with a 720p by 1480p resolution. The Samsung Galaxy A01 is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek HT6 739WW processor. The OneplusZ, also known as the OnePlus Nord, is one of the most expected rumored phones. The OnePlusZ is said to have a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2340 plus 1080p. The phone is set to run on the Snapdragon 765G processor and the phone is said to be powered by an octa-core chipset. The phone is rumored to come with a Adreno 620 GPU and the phone is said to house a 16 megapixel selfie camera with a quad camera setup on the rear side. The phone is rumored to pack a 4300 mAh battery with support of 30-watt warp charging. The phone is priced at 34,990 INR for the 128GB storage which cannot be extended plus the 6GB RAM variant.